How to read Messenger messages without seeing group chat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and in today's video, I'll show you a simple way to read messages in Messenger group chats without marking them as seen. If you want to stay sneaky while staying updated, keep watching. So the easiest way to read messages without being detected is by using airplane mode. First, you need to launch Messenger application and let the messages load without opening the group chat. Once you see the chat preview, turn on airplane mode on your device. And then on Android device, you need to swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the airplane mode. After that, you can easily go back to Messenger and open the group chat where you have got the messages. And after that, you simply need to read the messages, and once you are done, you need to close the Messenger application completely before turning off airplane mode. And by doing this, Messenger won't register that you have read the messages. If you only need to read part of the message, you can easily use notifications. When a new message arrives, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. And then you can easily preview the message without opening the app if you got the notifications. This is perfect for quickly checking messages without triggering the seen status. If you're on a computer and use Messenger in your browser, you can install browser extensions like OnScene for Messenger, which is available for Chrome, and these extensions block the scene received automatically. And that's how you can read Messenger group chat messages without marking them as seen. Try out this method and see which one works best for you. If this tutorial helped, please drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.